I don't know whether I really qualify myself for this. But what I can do to satisfy him, that I can go through my life's journey. What have I achieved? I call myself philanthropreneur, not entrepreneur. I definitely have been trying to integrate action into my ideas or ideas into my actions. So I'll tell you some of the stories of life because I don't think I'm qualified to give you long lecture on what to do in life. I can only tell you what I have been able to do. Whether it is good for you or not is up to you to decide. When I landed in USA, I decided to stay in New York. The reason was not that this was the land of entrepreneurs. Reason was that I should stay in Manhattan so that I don't have to cut the grass and I don't have to clean the ice. So I had an agreement with my wife on that. Then what am I doing? I was in the best of service in India, the best of civil service perhaps anywhere in the world. And I quit because I couldn't bear the hypocrisy and the slowness and the non-performance of the civil service. I was in a foreign country posted. There also I found the same system in an African country, old colonial British country, I would say. I saw the same thing. So I landed here. But what am I going to do? I noticed that most of the Indians here, well, at that time I have decided that whatever actions will be, whatever projects I will take, it will have to have some Indian connotation. That means I'll have an opportunity to go to India, see my brother, see my mother, see my father, and at the same time do business. So I found, I don't know whether it will be exaggeration for me to say, but perhaps I am the, if not the pioneer, perhaps one of the earliest to start e-commerce in this country. And how did I do it? Amazon was only selling books at that time. I found that most of the expatriates here, they have a strong desire to connect with their parents and the dear ones and have to send them gifts and all that. I had a good network in India, so I started Calcutta Online. Calcutta is a city, and what is Calcutta Online? Now, being 10.5 hours ahead of here, in the night of 11:30 or middle of the night, rather say, the news there will be published in the newspaper next day, right? But here, I am getting it the day before. At that time, newspaper was the only source. So my online first gave the news, and then I joined it with jobs and gift service. And at that time, the payment system, payment gateway was not so much organized. So I used to take the checks and then deliver it in India, whatever may be the things. You will be surprised that when Professor Sen got the Nobel Prize, the whole computer crashed because nobody expected so many inquiries, because I got it much before India. And then Indian fellows who will be sleeping overnight and then get the newspaper next day will get it next day. So here, most of the Indians here, they are getting it the same day. So that was the key point that I started this, and it went to, and it has no loss because I am getting the money and then executing the business. So I had nothing to lose. So how to grow? So I got in touch with a software company which had only the STAT 1, STAT 2 and STAT 3, the engineering software company, research engineers, joined them. We named ourselves NetGuru. You must be remembering sometimes NetGuru. And then we went to NASDAQ. So from 1 cent, 2 cents, it became almost $139. And I was, on the top of the sky, but little did I realize that 2001 was coming very fast. And as a founder, organizer, we are not supposed to sell our shares very soon, as you all know. But many of my partners, they did. But 2001, everything crashed to less than a cent, as you know. Something happened, and that was the story. But just as most of the speakers are mentioning, that you have to continuously learn, you have to continuously adjust your skill set. So does it mean that I was crashed? No. By that time, I've already delved into those 6E. What was the 6E? Philanthropreneur, 6E. Energy, environment, enterprise, education, e-commerce, and what else? What else? Written there? Whatever. Now each and everything, entertainment also. In fact, I was amongst the Indians, top class magician who is regarded as Houdini of India, P.C. Sarkar, with 26 people with a 56-feet container, consuming daily 40 kgs of potatoes, and that sort of team. I pioneered them to this country. Then in case of energy also, I always went to the new things. Right now, we manufactured a chemical which will speed up the flow of oil, which is generally heavy in India, which has more wax and resins, and it will speed up the flow process. I'll not tell you all the details, but a friend of mine, he got the patent. Both of us joined it, listed in Australia, not here, not in India, which is difficult. Here also, the transparency sometimes demands so much that the business becomes slow. So energy, I did that. The last one, I'll tell you, very interesting to me. It may not be to you. You are all aware of Mardi Gras. You are aware of Brazilian, festival. But you may not be aware that the world's biggest festival, which runs for almost 10 days. Nowhere in the world the government gives holiday for 10 days, is in Calcutta, what is called some sort of festival called Durga Puja. But puja means religious, so I had to remove the religious connotation, so I named it the Great Kolkata Autumn Heritage Festival, TGKAHF. Now everybody knows that it's a kind of an event, it's kind of a fun. It's not fun. In fact, today's paper has vindicated what I have been trying for last 20 years. What I found that people spend money and celebrate with their own money, but they don't gain anything, whereas there is a lot of potential for creativity, artistic extravaganza, and a lot of exploration, a lot of experiments can be done. So in 1998, through my Calcutta Online, that news program, I popularized it. And I found that today it is almost, even at that time it was almost $1 billion program, $1 billion economy. But everybody gains out of that economy, the traders, the manufacturers, the visitors, the onlookers, but not the organizers. Because organizers, it is their passion. So what is this I'm talking about? So I engaged a New York firm. I told him, look, I am going to give you a product. And can you market it? He said, what is the product? Sure, we would like to go to India and we would like to do it. He thought maybe it is a soap or a shampoo or some sort of other product. I said, this is the product. I gave him the name. One locality. He said, what is this? Funny. I said, go to Google. So he went to Google and he found that something is there. Then I told him, look, you have 8 million footfall. 8 million footfall. Don't you think it is good enough a product? He said, but what is the product? I said, it's a factory, is in the streets of Calcutta. The product is called TGKHF. The capital invested is emotion, idea, and passion. And with this, if you can sell it, then you make your own money. Believe me, he went from New York, he took one event, he created an advertisement program, and he made his own money. And the advantage that I had was that the organizer didn't have to spend anything, because he spent for all the events. And today, I have been able to create employment to the extent of directly and indirectly 100,000 in the informal sector. And I have been arguing and fighting with the banks that without collateral, if the microfinance can transform itself to microfinance firm to a bank, then why don't you give loan to these organizers, and why can't you collate and collect them all together to a great festival? Fortunately, the government has bought the idea, and government is now calling it Carnival, right? Carnival. About 75 these events, they are all paraded around the Ganges and visited by and witnessed by most of the diplomats and the VIPs and all that. This has been my latest version. And I believe this is going to be the future, because social engineering, no matter how much AI, how many manufacturing, how many brick and mortar, the coming population is so explosive and so many young things. You call it service sector, call whatever, but the social engineering through services like this, events like this, will create more wealth, more money, and also more employment to keep the population busy. Thank you very much.